Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another Halloween look, and today's look is going to be kind of a clown inspired type of look, but it's going to look like I have an actual mask on my face instead of just painting my face to look like a clown. So I have never done anything with this type of optical illusion, so hopefully I don't mess it up too bad. But we are going to dive right in and start with this look. So we're going to start with a white pencil. Any white pencil will do, and we're just going to kind of draw a shape on our face where the general mask is going to be sitting on our face, and we're going to focus all of the colors on the inside of that shape, and then we're going to add shadowing around that to kind of make it look like a mask. But first, let's get that outline done. Okay, so we have our little outline done, and now we are going to fill in that mask. And we're going to fill that mask in with white paint, white body paints. I do have some water activated body paints here, and we are going to go ahead and just fill that in real quick with the white paints. I do have a couple of photos I am referencing that I got off of Pinterest. Again, I've gotten every photo that I'm doing off of Pinterest. If I can find out who specifically did these looks, I will give them credit in my description box of my video. Okay, so we have the white part of our face done, and we're going to move on to eyebrows. I'm going to make draw on some eyebrows, but I'm going to use just my regular brow pencil to draw them on, and then I'm going to fill them in with black. Okay, we have our eyebrows filled in, and as you can see, even my Halloween eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So we got that on, and we are going to move on to the eyes. Now I'm going to prime my eyes because I am going to put some shadow on over this. So I want my eyes a little bit primed so that the shadow sticks to my eyes even over this stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm going to dip into a pinkish shade. We're going to get that on our eye. We are going to kind of bring it down into the corners of our eye as well. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to dip into a bright pink shade. I am using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I'm dipping into a slightly brighter pink. I'm just going into the crease with that. I am bringing that pink up now a little bit more. Any of the excess that I have on my brush, I'm just going to bring it up from the crease. And now I'm going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to bring it coming down my nose a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to take another little blending brush, and I'm going to dip into a darker shade. So we are going to kind of darken the outer corners of our eyes now. Okay, now I'm going to line my eyes like I would normally do. So now my eyes are lined, and then we are going to put on some false eyelashes. So I will be right back with that. Okay, well, my camera cut out, so I have no clue where it left off. I put on my fake lashes, I added some mascara, and then what I did was I took some of that pink shadow and I kind of went down a little on my cheeks. So what we're going to add now are these little triangle things coming down from the bottoms of our eyes. We're not adding anything up here. We are just doing it down here. So I'm going to do two little triangles down my eyes. So we have our little line, so I look like a Santa clown right now, but we're going to add a few more details. I'm going to add a little round circle to my nose. And I'm going to add 2 little circles to my cheeks using that hot pink shade. Okay, now we're going to fill in our mouth. I'm going to fill in my mouth with a black liner, and we're going to kind of extend my mouth out a little bit, and I'll show you in just a second. Okay, we have our mouth filled in, and now we're going to add some shadowing to make this mask kind of look like it's coming out. So to do that, we're going to take a small brush and we're just going to add some shadows going around the perimeter of the mask. And I am going to be using black eyeshadow for that. We're also going to draw a little line going from the side of our face up to kind of look like I am wearing a mask. And that is our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the little notification bell to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!